One thing these NMRA race cars have in common is their Dart machine engine blocks. On this episode of Power TV, we take you back to Michigan for an inside view of Dart's popular small block Ford engine blocks. Dart's engine blocks are designed just for Ford racers and hardcore street enthusiasts.
Behind me is our machine dedicated to the Ford iron and Ford aluminum blocks. We make this block in 4 different versions, the 8.2, 8.7, 9.2, and 9.5. Attributes within our block are expanded water jackets, thicker decks, availability to go 4-185 in the main bores, expanded mains, 4-bolt mains, all 5, and billet steel caps. Additionally, we've changed the oiling system to include a priority main oiling system. We've made some revisions to the oiling system, reducing the amount of compound angles, which assists in volumetric flow. Additionally, due to the compound angles, we've been one of the first to machine this block with a 5th-axis rotary table. That's assisted us in not only processing quantity, but also processing quality. Upon completion of the machining operation, the block is finished and sent up to our Troy facility for finishing, lifter bores, any other attribute that the customer may need.
After casting, the first step for the Ford blocks is the qualification process. All blocks are qualified for machining by measuring the cylinder walls through the water jackets. This ensures maximum wall thickness and strength. All machining programs are registered from this measurement. The fixture, which is used to set the qualifying dimensions, stays with the block and is transferred to the machining center with the block in place, so the machining operations are all accurate using the same fixture. Each and every Dart Ford small block is documented at all stages of manufacturing with a checklist of critical items and tolerances.
The Sun-In CV616 is the machine we use to install our ductile iron sleeves in our Ford aluminum blocks. This process is similar to all of our blocks, whether they be cast or CNC billet. We dimensionally check each sleeve for size and allocate them to each bore so that we minimize any sort of installation defects. The block is honed. We hone each block within 5/10 so that we have a 0 to a half press that minimizes the amount of distortion in the block. We also consider our blocks to have a blind hole where we have minimized the hone over travel, which produces maximizing the length of the sleeve so that we have good piston support and minimizing the amount of material that we take out of the main so that we have maximum strength. Once the block is honed, we will take it out of the Sun-In hone and bring it over to our oven. We will heat the block from 280 to 300 degrees where the sleeves will be installed, clocked correctly, checked, and then set in place.
Dart's attention to detail results in a high-performance racing and street engine block, which you can count on when the throttle is on the floor. Whether you're building a 302, a 351, a small engine, or a big one, if it's a small block Ford engine, Dart's got an engine block which fits you. From street to race car, Dart's got the blue oval covered.